I actually got this in yesterday. I meant to set it up, but I had company and I just didn't get the equipment that I needed to film this video. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get into it and see what I have. Super excited for this video, by the way, even if it doesn't sound like it. Alright guys, so as you can probably see by what's up front here, you can guess what's in the smaller box. So I'm going to push this aside because I bought that at work. And I ordered this from Apple because I had to, or I wanted to get the higher amount of RAM, even though I know you could add yourself, or you could add it yourself later. So yeah, pretty much I just cut the box open, but other than that, I haven't really had a chance to look at it, so yeah, here we go. So this is pretty much what you get. When I first opened it up, I know it sounds stupid, but I didn't realize, I thought this was out. So once you take this off, you're pretty much like the normal Mac mini box, just put the Space Grays on. There it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and I'm gonna set it up, and I'll probably make a video, another video on the benchmarks that this provides. So there she is, guys, the new Space Gray Mac Mini. Put that to the side as always. Let's see, in the box in this top compartment here, we have the power cable. That's all that comes in that. Let's see if I can put it back in there. Bottom portion here, more than likely it's just your basics as usual. Mac Mini stickers. That's it. So that's that. That's pretty much it for the box. So actually, I'm gonna take the cable back out. Throw this aside. And then I guess I'll just go ahead and throw the keyboard into it as well. I didn't get the mouse yet because I ordered it through work, and I should be getting it shortly. And Space Gray keyboard as well. And what's nice about that is it comes with its own black cable and the same little unnecessary booklet. And they're getting crafty with their folding and stuff because it's just folded paper that locks that in there. Toss that in the trash. We'll have to charge that more than likely, so I'll leave that out as well. So I hope you guys kind of enjoyed the unboxing. It wasn't too amazing. I will do a quick boot up for you once I connect it to my computer here with the current setup for the most part. Alright, sorry about that guys. I probably should have had this lighting from the beginning, but here we go. Just hot tape. Boom. And pretty much you got all your ports. So if we can't get this to focus in here.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright, so quick boot up here. And that's just saying it's wirelessly connected. United States. US keyboard layout. And yeah. So again, nothing too crazy for you guys, just a quick setup and unboxing of the new Mac Mini. I know it wasn't anything too great. I didn't have the time that I would have liked to put into it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like I said, I'll upload some benchmarks on a video sometime this week, and hopefully get this whole desk set up a little bit more organized. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.